In today's video, I'm going to show you the ultimate beginner fat loss workout. Hey everybody, how you all doing? Now, every beginning of the year, I give you guys one of these complete beginner fat loss workouts because most workouts out there are just too difficult. Even if they seem easy for a lot of people, they are just too difficult for most beginners that's just starting out. And especially if you haven't been training for a while. I know when I started 10 years ago and I was 100 pounds overweight, I couldn't even do 3 push-ups. So most workouts are just too difficult. But this workout I'm going to show you today is really effective and really powerful, and especially because of the workout structure. We work with time, so you can actually grow with this workout. Maybe you can only do, let's say, 3 push-ups in the first 15 seconds. Well, the next workout you can do 5, and then 6 and 7. And once you get to a point where you can go for the full time, you move up to one of our more advanced workouts. So let's quickly look at the workout structure, and then I'm going to take you through one complete circuit so you know exactly what to do. Now, this workout is really easy. We're going to do an upper body exercise for 15 seconds, and then you're going to rest for 15 seconds. Then we're going to do a cardio exercise for 15 seconds, and then you're going to rest for 15 seconds. A lower body exercise for 15 seconds, rest 15 seconds, back to the cardio, 15 seconds on, 15 seconds off, and then a core exercise, 15 seconds on, 15 seconds off, and we're going to finish off with a cardio exercise, and that is one circuit done. And you will complete that full circuit 4 times, 3 times per week, as easy as that. So if you are ready, make sure you warm up, and then let me take you through one complete circuit. So we're going to get started with normal push-ups for 15 seconds. Let's get into position and let's go. 15 seconds. Remember, if normal push-ups is too much for you, especially if you're a beginner, you can drop down to your knees and just do knee push-ups. That's 100% fine. 5 seconds, keep pushing. 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to have a 15-second recovery period or rest. I like to jump up and down. I don't like to stand still during my workouts, but you can stand still, have a sip of water, breathe in, etc., etc. So next we're going to do some cardio, jumping jacks. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Push as hard as you can for 15 seconds. Proper technique, proper form. 10 seconds to go. Keep pushing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. 15-second recovery again. So you can take a sip of water again. Just catch your breath. Next, we're going to do our lower body exercise, and we're going to do normal forward lunges. So let's get into position. 3, 2, 1. Nice big forward step and down. Forward step and down. Alternate between the 2 different legs so that we can train both sides at the same time. 5 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and relaxed. 15-second recovery. Once again, take a sip of water. It might not be required as much during the first circuit, but when you get to the second, third, and fourth one, you might need a bit more recovery time. That's fine, you can take it. Next, we're going to do cardio work exercise again. Jumping jack. Let's go. 15 seconds. Keep pushing. This is just to get your heart rate up nice and high, especially in between those weight training exercises. We want to make sure we continue to get your heart rate up. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Remember, if you are more advanced, you can go for 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. And if you're really advanced, you can go for 30 seconds. Your main goal as a beginner is just to try and do better every single workout. Next, we're going to do a core exercise, and we're going to do straight arm plank. 15 seconds. Let's go. Onto your toes, really contract your quads and your core and push through your arms. Basically, you're doing a hollow hold upside down. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and relax. 15-second break, and then we're going to finish off with those jumping jacks, and that will be one circuit all done, guys, and you will then simply repeat that 4 times, as easy as that. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Jumping jacks, last time round. 10 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you'll take a 15-second break, and then you'll start with the push-ups again. So there you go, guys. Really simple and really effective. So if you're a complete beginner and most workouts out there are just too hard for you, give this one a try, grow with it, do it for the next 2 to 3 weeks, and then you can move on to one of our more advanced workouts or one of our free challenges that you can find at 6weeksixpack.com. As always, guys, click on the like button, please subscribe and share this with anybody who you know wanted to get back, losing weight, getting themselves back in shape and working and exercising again, but for whom most workouts out there are just too hard, because you guys need to share this with your friends and family members so that we can help as many people as possible. Until the next one, keep it simple out there and have fun.